We just talked to her. You're not.
She thought she could refuse to get out of the car, but this encounter quickly turned into a struggle. Watch how this traffic stop ends with an arrest.
That's not my problem. But right now, they don't want you here. You need to go. You're not. She just said that. So if you have a phone that you can call an Uber. Alright, I'm leaving now. So then let's leave. I'm leaving now. So then let's leave. You don't need to yell. You need to leave. I'm not yelling at you. It doesn't matter. You're yelling across all these people. You're yelling across all these people.
If I was yelling at you, it would be a different tone. I'm talking to her.
Okay, well I'm talking to you.
You might be in a different tone.
Ma'am.
You need to leave.
Ma'am.
Okay,
You get her name? Her info?
Okay, good. But
Okay, you need to leave.
if you're friends with her and do something in the same tone, let her know that if she doesn't come with me, then I'm leaving.
Regardless, you're going to leave. You need to leave. They don't want
Man, do you have your purse and your phone, all that?
Do you have,
Do you have your purse? Do you have all your belongings with you?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so then let's call her. Let's get her.
That's still my best friend.
That's fine. She's not sleeping with you.
Come on, buddy.
So, listen, I was checking my papers. What is your name? Alexandra? Okay. You need to call him.
I understand. I'm not fighting. I'm fighting her.
You're not.
You're not fighting anybody.
I'm not talking to you. I don't know why you're talking to me.
Where's the other side of this?
I'm not fighting. I'm not fighting.
Where's Craig at? They say they're driving? Yeah, she's getting in the car, so. Florida tag, India Kilo, Quebec, Romeo 06 on a gold Chevy Traverse. You're not planning on driving, are you?
No. You see the keys in the ignition?
Well, you got in the car.
And the keys in the ignition?
What are you planning on doing? Can you step out, please?
First time, can you come to the car, please? Get out of the car.
10-4. Get out of the car.
Are you leaving late?
Get out of the car.
You want her to go? Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am. You're still the
Relax, relax, relax.
I'm not driving.
Relax.
Step out of the
Get out of the car.
Why aren't you stepping out of the
If
car?
we're on the same
Get out of
I
the
don't,
car.
I don't want to force you
You're
guys.
not going to make me do nothing because we're on the same clock. So
Man,
relax.
listen to me.
I want everybody to be very safe and very comfortable. She's feeling
Yeah, but you need to
very
get out of the car.
anxiety. I'm already outside of the car, am I?
No, you need to step out.
Okay, and I
If you
am.
don't step out, I'm going to force you out.
No, you can't force me out because
I can,
we're on the same
because
clock, because
you're
my has the same clock.
All right, just step out of the car.
You can't
Come
touch
on.
me. Don't touch
I can.
me because we're on the same.
Ma'am, step
we're on
out of
same
the car.
recording. We're on the same
Out.
recording.
Step
We're
out
on
of the car.
same recording.
Do not fight me.
Relax.
Do not
Relax,
fight me.
because
Step
we're on the
out
same
of the
recording.
car.
We're on the same recording, so
Let go of the
relax.
wheel.
Relax, because I don't give a what time you are. Don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
We're on the same time. We're on the same
Get out of the car.
time. Don't touch me. I don't give a what time you are.
Fighting.
Don't touch
Get out of the
me.
car.
Get out
Don't
of the
touch me because I'm not on the same time you are. Don't touch me. I didn't give you that surveillance.
Ma'am, get out
don't
of the
give a-
car.
I don't give a. Y'all don't
Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
touch me.
Please, you.
Don't. I don't give a. Call my name. Don't
Good.
call my name.
Get on your stomach.
No.
We're good. Give me your hands. Good. I have. Give me your hands.
No. You're resisting me.
Hey, help
I
Trinidad.
hope you have your bitch, I do.
What you need to do is give him your arm. You understand me? You understand me? Give him your arm. Give him your arm.
Give me the other arm.
I'm not fighting.
Now you're not fighting.
I'm not fighting you. I have a proper shirt. I have a medical card.
Give me the other arm.
I bet you do.
Why are you fighting?
Control you have. You know why? Because I have a lot of control on top of y'all. You know why? Because I'm coming across y'all. You think I give a what y'all come across? You think I give a about what y'all come across? That's how you guys tie me my But guess what? I got the will of God. I got the will of God. You know what that means? Is that you could never touch me.
Roll to you, butt.
Guess what? That don't mean to me.
Alright, roll over your knees. We're gonna stand up.
That don't mean to me. That don't mean to me.
Stand up.
That don't mean to me. You
Get
are.
up.
And that's all you ever been in your life. That's all you ever been in your life. That's what fighting looks like. That's what fighting looks like. You think that's what fighting looks like? That's what fighting looks like. That's what fighting looks like. They never get in the car. Fight. I didn't fight the whole way. I didn't fight the whole way. You stupid ass. Did I fight? Did I fight you?
Yeah.
I hope you feel good at night. I hope you feel good at night because I didn't fight you the whole way. You stupid. I didn't fight. Did I fight? You so sad, bro. You so sad because I didn't fight. I didn't fight the whole way. I'm a mother. I would never fight. I would never fight when I'm wrong.
Put your feet down.
I would never fight when I'm wrong.
Put your feet down.
I don't give a I would never fight if I'm wrong when you dead wrong. I hope you sleep at night. I hope you sleep at night. I hope you sleep at night.
I just have one female.
I bet you do. And it's the only thing you will ever sleep on is a like me. Because you know why? I never disrespected y'all. I gave you that authority and you still disrespected me. You still disrespected me. I don't give a I don't give a I didn't do nothing. Did I do that? Did I call for that? Did I do that to you?
Just hobble the leg into the
I
ground.
don't know better. You're stupid.
So pull it.
And you're clouded. I don't give a touch me. That's what you want. You're gonna get it.
Yeah.
I don't give a bro. I didn't do that to her. I didn't do that to her. I told her. I said, listen, we're about to go home. Leave us alone. Yeah, hold it tight. Hold the tight. You righteous.
You done?
I didn't do that to you.
You done?
Look at me in my eyes.
I'm looking at you.
Look at me. I didn't call for that.
Are you done?
I didn't call for that.
You gonna calm down?
I'm very aware.
You calm down?
I'm very aware.
Okay.
My,
Calm down.
I'm very aware. That was wrong. That was wrong.
Cube.
That was
They got
wrong.
division.
That was wrong. My, that was wrong. And you just found somebody
Whoever's not gonna get attacked.
that knows that was wrong. And I don't give a how much I had to come across
okay,
it.
well, just
I don't
calm down.
care. I didn't do that. I didn't do that to them. For them to do that to me. I didn't do that to them. For them to do that to me. I didn't do that to them. For them to do that to me. For them to hold me like that.
It's all over. Calm down.
I don't care. I didn't do that.
She was arrested and later sentenced for her actions. What do you think about this encounter? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more raw body cam footage.